Jodi Arias in chains, the convicted murderer at the center of a hearing this morning regarding whether she will face another jury to decide whether she lives or dies. Chris Williams was inside the courtroom. Chris, let's get right to it. What happened?
Well, Faye, the courtroom fell silent except for the sounds of chains jingling when Jodi Arias walked into the courtroom. It was the first time we've seen her since a jury could not decide on the death penalty last month, and her appearance this morning was unlike anything we'd seen before. Arias in stripes, irons, and shackles, surrounded by 6 MCSO special response team members, walked through the court and into chambers. Prosecutor Juan Martinez smiled as he waited. His argument that Arias killed her lover, Travis Alexander, in a premeditated, violent attack helped land the convicted murderess in this position. Judge Sherry Stevens held a long closed-door hearing before Arias emerged, and the courtroom learned that the decision made today, the only decision made today, was that a July retrial on the penalty phase was postponed. Both sides will meet again here July 18th when we could learn a new trial date. 3 of the original jurors returned to this hearing. One who voted for death explained what it was like to see Jodi Arias like this.
It was a lot different, and it was the reality of her conviction. I think that was a resonating experience for all of us. It was something that we all felt very, it was like we knew that we had done our job on the conviction, and now we just have to wait and see what happens in the penalty phase.
I also spoke with Jodi Arias' mother, who said life has been difficult since the last day of the trial. She explained to me that she's not been able to leave her home much, wondering if her daughter will get the death penalty. Travis Alexander's siblings were not in court today. They sat through the entire trial. I'm told his sister Samantha called in to listen to that closed-door hearing. His aunt and the family attorney were both in court, but they wouldn't comment. Live in the Information Center, Chris Williams, 12 News.